Hey everybody, welcome to my backyard. This place is a mess. I was out of town for about a month. Now I'm back and I'm gonna do some more videos here. Happy New Year everyone. Hope you all had a good New Year. I want to talk about mangoes. Yes, we're in winter, Southern California, zone 10A or B. You know, I think the coldest it got here was 38 so far, but we're still in January, so there's still a few more cold days ahead of us. But so far, lowest I believe is 38. And we're in the winter time, January. I want to talk about mangoes because I think about mangoes a lot, and I'm obsessed with mangoes. And even in January, in our winter, I think about mangoes quite a bit. So I want to show you some mangoes I got growing here. They're all seedlings, and I'm really excited about them because I really like planting mango seedlings. So let's look at some. Here's some right here. Here's some little guys. So these, I went to Florida in June 2020, brought back a bunch of mangoes, and I planted most of the seeds. Here's a Julie seed, and as expected, it's kind of small compared to the rest. The rest are over there. Here's this is a sweet tart seedling, and it shot up multiple shoots like sweet tart does, polyembryonic, meaning multiple embryos produced, but all of them died except this one. It's right there. Let's see, this is a him cigar little seed, and these are all planted in mostly decomposed granite and perlite, and that's about it. A little bit of peat moss too. This is a sweet tart seedling, and this is more characteristic right here of a sweet tart. Look at that, 1, 2, and then three shoots, three separate seedlings in from one seed. That's polyembryonic. That's a characteristic of the sweet tart, and that's a big plus in sweet tart. It's very aggressive, good grower. This seedling came from my cousin's tree in the San Fernando Valley. Shout out to my cousin. You know who you are. I just don't want to mention his name. Maybe he doesn't want to get talked about. But anyways, here's some other stuff here. We got here's the stuff I got from Florida. This is a really good unknown variety mango seedling from Zill High Performance Plants, ZHPP. Shout out to Zill's High Performance Plants out in Hapaloosa, Florida. Amazing place. Unfortunately, they don't sell it to the public. They do sell their mangoes to the public though, and I went and got this one. I think it's Juliet. I'm gonna say it's Juliet, but I'm not really sure. This is a good grower. This is Terrale mango seedling. I got this from Zill's as well in Florida. Shout out to Zill's. Back there is the sweet tart mango. Also got it from Zill's. And as expected, 3 little shoots popping out, polyembryonic. As opposed to something like here, this is the Glen mango seed. And it is a single shoot that came out right there. You see it? These all grow really well. They're less than a year old, and they've taken our relatively cold weather very, very well. I'm very impressed and I'm very happy. This is cac mango, the cac mango seedling. Looking good. And this is another cac mango right behind it, this one. Cac mango. It's a Vietnamese variety, I believe. Let me show you an example of what I believe is cold damage. When it gets these little spots right here, I think that's cold damage. And when the leaf starts to change color, that's a light leaf. Usually it's darker green. This is an Ugly Betty mango seedling. Ugly Betty is really good. It's a seedling of Kerry mango, which is one of my favorites. And I think it's a great mango. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah. This is the Venus seedling of the Venus mango. Venus was a standout for me last year, 2020. It was an excellent mango. It was the top 3, and I loved it. So I planted the seed. And then Venus's parent is this one. Where's the? Oh, I didn't write anything on here. Anyways, I know what this is. This is the Zill Indo-Chinese mango seedling. And I'm really excited about this one because I love the Zill Indo-Chinese mango. And then what else we got here? Let's see. Oh, orange essence. This one was good. Orange Essence Seedling. Amazing, amazing, really good mango. And hopefully I can find some land to plant these mangoes, because I'm really into planting seedlings now, especially with mangoes, because I think we can find a new variety for Southern California that grows really well, and something I want to grow from seed and not graft it, and see what kind of fruit comes out. I want to do a little mini project, seedling project, and if it doesn't come out good, if the mango doesn't taste good, then we could always graft over it. So that's the goal. The problem is I don't have a lot of land. I'm looking for some land to plant these mangoes in. So if you're someone who's willing to take a mango seedling and plant it in your place but not graft it, let me know. We can work something out. Alright people, thanks for watching. Bye.